Hey guys, just want to show you my new room that I'm going to start doing some of these videos out of. Now, the main reason why I'm moving out of the other room is because of those mining computers sitting there in the background. They make quite a bit of noise. I wanted to make it a bit easier for you guys to be able to hear me. So I've moved a lot of stuff into this room, which I've got decked out for all the type of videos that I'm going to be doing. I'll still do some videos in the other room, but if it needs for me to actually explain stuff and talk to you guys in a lot more detail, I'm going to do it in here most likely, so that way you guys can hear me clearly. So basically in this room, it's just a old bedroom that's been converted across. I've got tables on each side. I've got a computer set up here with a couple screens. I've got a whiteboard on the back, and I've got a few other shelves and stuff. But what I'll do is I've just got a bit of my DJ equipment and such sitting there at the moment. I've got my batteries all sitting here at the moment, which I'll need to find a permanent place. A whiteboard, so that will come in handy when I need to draw up some circuits or whatever. And above it we have all my 3D printing stuff. So I've also just got some things lying around, like some lights and such. But on this side, what we've got here is the main table, where you can see there is stuff everywhere. But basically I've got on the walls these containers, which as you can see hold all the different resistors. So I'm quite happy with that. Easy to find what I'm looking for. Some wiring there, and the carbon filter extraction fan, which is designed for getting the fumes for when I'm soldering. So I've got my bit of a soldering station here, which I'll slide out when I need to use it, and I'll add to that and build on it eventually. In the background over here you can see my oscilloscope, which is just stuck to the wall there, so that way I can test circuits and such. Now I've got power boards that run up, and I'm able to then test things. Now I'll probably install a couple cameras, one up here and one over above, to show myself and also this area here for when I'm filming some of the work that I'm working on. And I've just got some little charts which I've laminated and attached down the table. That way I can have a quick reference check on resistors and such, and capacitors and things like that. So just some things that I may need a bit of reminding of. That's just a quick show of my room. That you'll see over time I'll start to expand things and add things in here. I've got a microphone stand here, so use the microphone as well for that clear audio. You'll see some more videos come out of this room soon enough. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.